In this video, I will be showing you how to convert your image to video in Google AI Studio. So let's get started. First thing, just search for Google AI Studio and select this link aistudio.google.com, and also make sure that you are signing in with your Google account. And here to the left we will be having this chat option. Click it, and here we are having video. So select the video option, and by default we'll be having this VO2 video generator. Click it, and here we are having some settings, which is the number of results, the aspect ratio, the video duration. If you want, you can change these settings. Also give a negative prompt. So to upload an image, here we are having add an image to the prompt. Click it, and we have like where to upload from our drive or directly upload from our system. I will just click this and select the image which I want to upload and open it. So this is the image, basically an image of a cat in a cartoon, and I'm just going to give a prompt. I'm just going to keep it simple, just going with add motion to this, and I will just click on run. So we have got the output, and we gave it for 8 seconds. So let me just go in the large view, and damn, that just looks beautiful. The butterfly movement, even the eyes are blinking, and the cat is just trying to catch the butterfly. So this is the image, and it has beautifully replicated that into a video. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in AI tools and programming. Check the playlist of my channel. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.